Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Katerina Bolshakova and I'm an owner of the interior design company named KB Design. About 2 weeks ago, with the beginning of stay-at-home order in the state of Washington, I've started to offer free half-an-hour interior design consultation for people who want to ask me a question about how to plan or how to proceed with the improvements of their home. As very few design topics are pressing right now, I do believe that I can be of service anyway. There are a couple of ways I can imagine. First, say, are you working from home now? Do you need help organizing or making your office better? Organization-wise, sound-wise. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Second, are you nervous? I am, definitely. So if you are trying to pour that extra energy because of your nervousness into something positive, improving your home, and you want to ask me questions about colors, about furniture placement, window treatments, I'm here for you. Or maybe you just do know that all that nonsense and all that danger gonna end, and you want to plan for your future normal life again and want to run your ideas by a professional. Maybe you want to start working on your architectural plans, or maybe you want to run your designs by me just because you want another professional opinion for that. You can ask me that. Or you're planning to purchase a property and want to ask what possibilities are there and how to remodel that kitchen. Ask away. Last week we helped a number of people. Some past clients reached out and that was very pleasant. Some people I never met before reached out. I think I can help. 2 weeks ago, when I've started to do that, every single time people would ask me, why am I doing it? So I'm providing that explanation so we don't have to waste our time during our appointment. I don't know why so many people volunteer in so many ways. I do believe that there is a desire to be helpful, especially in a trying times like that. I want to see people. I want to speak to people. Somebody different from my husband. I love him dearly, but hey. And second of all, I need to stay creative. So helping you, I'm keeping my sanity. So you help me, I help you. Please use the link below this video to schedule your slot, to schedule your time. And when you do that, please, please, please send me your photos, your questions, your colors, your architectural plans, your window shapes, whatever it is, so I can prepare. This way, our half an hour would be much more useful. Thank you. See you soon.